The separate science option at Budehaven includes a GCSE in biology, a GCSE in chemistry, and a GCSE in physics. Here's a short overview of the course. You'll be studying biology, chemistry, and physics. And unlike combined science, you'll be studying to a greater depth. This course is ideal for students who are passionate and keen about the sciences and who might want to take it into further education or have a career in science, technology, engineering, or maybe medicine. The way that you are assessed is as follows. In each of the subjects, you'll get 2 papers. They're both 1 hour, 45 minutes, and all of the papers are after 2 years' worth of study. There are different types of questions, multiple choice, short answer, and the longer answer questions that normally are 6 marks in total. There is no separate practical assessment. The practical skills are assessed within the papers. There is a range of skills that you'll develop through taking the separate science option. You'll be analysing, evaluating scientific information and numerical data. You'll be doing a lot of practical work. There are lots of required practicals that you have to do and other practical experiments that you'll be doing as part of the course, some of them being full scientific investigations. You'll be thinking about how to solve real-world problems, such as maybe the global warming issue. And you'll be encouraged to present your data in lots of different ways, including written reports and sometimes live presentation. The separate science option definitely caters for all styles of learning, especially visual, because we use lots of diagrams to help you understand some of the more complex biological systems, such as all the different systems within the human body. You'll also be listening to podcasts and audiobooks and videos that you'll be using also for revision purposes, but also to try to get a deeper understanding of some of those concepts. A big part of the separate science option is for students to take part in lots of practical laboratory work and to also use models to help deepen their understanding of some of the key ideas and concepts. And we'd also encourage students to do lots of reading of scientific journals to help broaden their understanding of science outside of the classroom. Maths, of course, is a big part of the analytical side of science, and following investigations, students will be asked to analyse and process the data and to present it and to talk about the various trends that they might see in the data and communicate that back to the class. Here is some advice from a current A-level chemistry student about why she decided to choose the separate science option. Of course, there are lots of career pathways following the study of separate science, and here are just a few: medicine, pharmacy, engineering, environmental science and teaching. The course is really designed for students who have an aptitude for the sciences and really want to deepen their understanding of the 3 subject areas. And here we have 3 of the main reasons for wanting to choose the separate science option at Budehaven. You are taught by specialist teachers who can therefore take you into greater depth and teach you some of the AS content. It is an absolutely ideal way of preparing you for A-level studies in the sciences, and it just gives you much broader knowledge of the 3 main branches of science. Please contact either myself, Mr. Mark Baker, the Head of Science, Mr. Bardsley, and Mr. Ray, the Assistant Heads of Science. Please either contact us via class charts or using the email addresses below. Many thanks.